Hello guys, myself Manoj Dekate. Today we have the data of the insurance regarding insurance data. So in this data, first we checked our data, and then we had some nulls value and some outliers. Then I remove it and then go for the analysis and turn my this table into the in we can in a pivot table. Then we going through the some steps for the particular questions. We had the questions from the for BMI status. As per we are here using if condition. Okay, so we can see here if condition, this kind of. So we using underweight, overweight, obese, but for particular condition. So we can see here for in a BMI status. Okay, so let's go through the dashboards and see the dashboard, what dashboard tell us. Okay, so in the insurance dashboard we can see in the family health insurance production, I just the keep the in this poster in this place. So for this insurance dashboard, first of all, when we go through the for the gender voice, average BMI and average charges, so we can see there. So male is spending more money than the females. Okay, and they also more BMI than the females. So in this chart we can see the maximum they spent, average spent money as 13,956, and female is 12,569 rupees. So and male BMI, average BMI is 30.94, and female is 30.37. Not too much margin, but we can say in the average charges it is difference we can see in the charts also. So when we come to the smoker status by charge, we can see here the kind of peoples they not smoking, sorry, the smoking more. The smoking status is a yes. They spent more money in the insurance. We can see the in the charts also, in the pie charts, the blue area we can see here. Okay, so 32,000. Okay, this spend the charges, and the less people they don't smoke, but they spend money less. We can see in orange. Okay, so in the charts we can see that. And as well we can say, so here. And when we come to region voice charges, in the region voice charges, people in the region voice charges we can see the north, the most highest, we can see most highest region voice charges is the southwest. The southwest people they invest and they spend more money by the region voice charges we can see. And the second is the northeast people they spend more money, average charges we can see here. And but we can, when we come to the southwest and the northwest, they spend less money. So why this is happening, we need to be analyzing and we need to be focused later. Okay, so when we come to the dependency by the charges, it is where the people they have zero childrens. Okay, and we can see 0 1 2 3 4 5, and it is a charges we can see, and it is a dependency. We can see the number of childrens we can see. And there is we can see the zero, and they spend more money. Okay, so we can say that it is spending more money. So they have zero, though those people have zero children, they spend more money in the insurance. Okay, and the 1 also, 2 also, 3 also. But when we come to the 4 and 5, those who have 4 5 children, they spend less money as compared to 0 and 1 2. Okay, so 3 also less, 4 also, and 5 is so much less. So we need to be focused on that. Okay, so 3 4 5 is very less. okay, dependency. And we can say the people have lots of we can say they don't have zero, they don't have the children, they spend more money because they have also lots of they don't have lots of the other things. Actually that's why they spend more money in the insurance. But when we talk about 3 4 5, they have 3 4 5 children, the people have lots of spending money in the other things. So we can assume that. So when we come to the BMI versus charges in this place, in this right now we can see the we can see here the lots of peoples, the lots of peoples, they come okay, yeah, I explain it. First go come to the in this place. Okay, so we can see here we did previously, I say we are I had explaining about it. We have the if condition. Okay, so for if this condition, okay, I did this. Okay, you can see properly. Okay, underweight and if condition in inside also, inside in a normal, and if condition also an overweight, if else and obese. Okay, so we are explaining it because 27.9 is overweight. Okay, and 33 above 30. Okay, above 30 is overweight. Okay, okay, less than 30 is overweight, and above else is condition is obese. Okay, so it will be through the obese in the rate, in the red cell we can see here. Okay, so this is condition in the dashboard. We can see here in the BMI was the charges. Right now we had the so much people in this condition. Okay, in this condition, in the so much people, they have the lots of they underweighted and overweighted peoples, we had the more. But we can see here they'll spend a less money. Okay, we can say in the 20 it is good, but after the 25 in between 30 it is good, more peoples, and 40, and after the 45 50 it is a very high and it is very dangerous situation. But we can say they spend more money. Okay, so it is not a good things. If we can see in the insurance, when we go through the BMI status, this they have obese people, overweighted. So we if you're thinking about the overweight people, today is overweight, but after the sometimes they will most chances to go become to the obese people. So we need to my conclusion is for that we need to focus on that. The people they have the overweighted, they have overweighted people, they have obese people, they just go through that, but they spend money less. So we need to just advertise, we need to aware the people for the insurance, health insurance. We need to focus on that. And especially for the female, they spend less money. We are aware the female for the particular plans, and they will aware. And smoker also we can aware the peoples for that, to go through the why they spent less money. And we just give the benefits for the health insurance, what will happen when you spend the money in the health insurance. Reason why charts we need to analyze, we need to focus on that why the reason, and the take review from the particular peoples for the reason wise peoples, why, what is the reason behind this. So most of the southwest and northwest people, they spend less money. Why, what is the reason behind this, what is the particular reason behind this, we need to focus on that. And the dependency also, so for the dependency by charges, because lots of people they have less the year in the 4 5 they have more childrens. For this particular, what is the reason behind this, and we can see the reason is because they have lots of the people. For that we can also focus on the particular plans. So we can conclude this. And for this we can see here the changes in the those who have the yes those who have the smoking, yes, and we are using the slicer in this place, female, male, and the reason voice also. So my conclusion is that we need to be focused on the particular things in the BMI, those how the overweighted and the obese people, we need to they aware for their health, because when they spend more money, because they already overweighted and obese, and the more chance to become the obese, overweighted to obese. So we need to aware them to take the insurance for their benefits, and spend more money in the insurance also. And the female, give them to any discount for insurance also, they will take. And the reason wise, we need to focus on the reason wise also. It will if when we take the action for this, take the reviews, take the we go through the analysis why this happening. So when we actually take in the action on it, so it will be a huge benefit in the future. So it is a finishing reason wise we are using this also. So for the insurance dashboard, okay, so thank you so much.